What's up, YouTube? I wanted to give everybody an update on the broken welds on the spider gears and the 8.8. When the welds broke, they pretty much just broke free, clean from the teeth on the spiders, so they didn't destroy the spider gears too much. So basically, it just went back to functioning like an open, unlocked differential. So I was able to take it over to my buddy Rob's house, and he got everything welded back up in there.
Well, basically we just welded the spider gears together wherever they contacted. But
so 4 spots on this side.
Yep.
And then we rotated around and he welded
4 spots on the other side.
4 spots on that side.
And I tried to just turn the gears where they were meshing well, but there wasn't a lot of room in there, so.
Now I'm going to cut the tone ring off that we didn't pull off during the swap, and then I'm going to get the diff cover put back on and get it filled back up with some gear oil so we can go ride. So it's been 24 hours and the RTV on the diff cover should be dry. So now I'm going to fill it up with some 85 W140. So we're going to fill it up and drive it around and see if the rear end holds up. So I just got done driving it and testing it out, made some tight turns on the pavement, definitely was putting it in a bind. You could hear the tires slipping and the control arms creaking and popping and all sorts of stuff. I feel like if it can handle the tight turns on the pavement, then that's going to be harder on it than probably 90 to 95% of the trail riding that we'll do on it, since it's on dirt and the tire's more likely to slip on dirt or rock than it is just pavement. So I feel like if it can live up to the pavement, then it'll be good on the trail. So there's only one way to find out. Next trip I think we're going to Chacalaco, so gonna see how it does there. Have a good one.